Do you know the difference between rich and wealthy? I remember when I thought I knew the difference. Oh boy, when I found out the difference, I was shocked. Stay tuned. I'll tell you what I found out. Welcome to the Dr. Tess 90210 show. I'm Dr. Tess Washington, board-certified physician and surgeon. On this channel, we focus on providing you healthy tips and strategies for you to optimize your looks, love, wealth, and health. And if you enjoy that kind of content, stick around, subscribe, follow, share, like. Currently, we're doing a 365-day YouTube video orbit. Today, video number 7. Let's talk about wealth. The first question you guys should be asking is, if she's a private practice Beverly Hills doctor, why does she film her video with those scrubs on? Great question. Currently, I'm working as a hospitalist. In my training, I was taught hospitalist procedures, intubation, central line placement. My practice is aesthetics, hormones, weight loss. When COVID struck, it was necessary for me to close my practice. At that time, I really took a long look at myself and my practice. And I was like, outside of the fact that we were closed, when we reopened, would I be able to provide my patients with the quality care, giving them all the PPE, and being able to afford all of the safety measures that I felt would be necessary in order to run a safe medical practice? I'm a little guy. You don't see any backup team behind me. I looked at my ROI, my financial situation, and I felt as if it was for the better good of my patients for us to just step back and reassess. Fortunately for me, I always maintained my skill set as a hospitalist. So I had another route in medicine that I could take. But unfortunately, in some of my travel medicine locations, I have heard horror stories from doctors, some almost in tears, wondering what their next step or strategy was going to be financially, because this pandemic was unexpected and they were not financially prepared. Hence, I give you what I determined to be the difference between rich and wealthy. Rich, yeah, you may make a goo gob of money in your paycheck, but you go a few paychecks absent and you're trying to figure out how you're going to cover your financial costs. Whereas if you're wealthy, your money is making money for the money. That's what I understand. If you have a different understanding, leave it in a comment. Let's talk about it. My point is, there is a difference between rich and wealthy. Diversify your financial portfolio. And always keep in mind that something can come along, like a virus, and financially turn your world upside down. And the question you want to ask yourself is, if something just random was to happen, would you be financially okay? A lot of people are dealing with that very question right now. Thank God I maintained my skill set as a hospitalist, and I would not be able to sleep with myself if I knew there was a pandemic going on and I had the skill set as a hospitalist where I actually could help in saving lives and getting people off of the ventilators and allowing people to regain their health and strength. And I was just sitting around injecting Botox. We all have to answer to someone after this mortal life is over. And I just want to be a good person and proud of my endeavors. So, what's the take-home message for today? There is a difference between being rich and being wealthy. It's up to you to decide which one you want to be. After this all has taken place, which one do I want to be? Honestly, I just want to be happy. I feel like I'm already rich because I have you. Hey, and I could be even happier if you decided to subscribe. Go ahead, push the button. I love that. It makes me so happy. Did you do it? Okay. Gotta go. Thanks for stopping by the Dr. Tess 90210 show. See you tomorrow.